It's so hard not to stop in Moab. It's so hard for me to drive through here. This is where I wanted to be forever. So even though I'm on an awesome road trip, it is so hard for me not to stop. Got bikes with me. We're ready to rock, and I have to keep driving. It's so hard. But this road trip is ending in Tucson, Arizona. And we will leave the snow behind, and shortly you will see beautiful warm desert. See you there.
I ain't as good as I once was.
Oh. Here we go. Nemesis Hill. I've never made it all the way up without stopping. And I'm gonna go for it. I'm sure it looks flat on camera, but it's not. I also blew a seal in my rear shock, so I have like a millimeter of travel. I'm squatted down in the back. Maybe it'll help. Oh. Nope. Need a break. Check it out. Pretty darn squishy. This is our hill. Rocky, not super steep, but rocky and just awkward. And then you take a left and go up this. So I'll get it. I just had to stop in the middle. Whew. I've never done it all the way. I'm sure lots of people do it, but not me. Trail 100, by the way, Phoenix. Taking every cheater line I can. Hell yeah, buddy. Yee-hoo! These guys down here turned around. They're like, screw that. I'm telling you, it looks like nothing, but that's no joke. Whew, on we go. Here goes. Drop her post down. See how this goes on a blown rear shock. Woo. Yeah, baby. Woo. The party's over. It's time to go home. Made it to Tucson. Rode, did a 60 some mile road ride. It was awesome with an old buddy. Kicked my butt. And then, let's see, day 2, did 50-year trail. That's where my GoPro died, so I didn't get a lot of footage from it. And no footage from yesterday at Fantasy Island in Tucson, which was awesome. And left this morning and came up to Phoenix, did Trail 100. Got a little video of that. Hope you guys enjoy, and it's time for me to go home. We've got about, I don't know, 9-hour drive ahead of me. I'm gonna stop in Flagstaff, spend the night there. This guy's wondering why I'm talking to myself. Flagstaff, and then home tomorrow. So hopefully some of this video came out. Hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next adventure. It's gonna be snowy in Colorado, so might be a while. See ya.